Okay guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm going to talk a little bit about my new mic setup. I found out it was a little bit of a hassle to find out a good microphone, the right mod for your GoPro that isn't too expensive. I really like my GoPro, but personally you buy a GoPro but you still need to spend like 200 euros to get all the things you need, like the chin mount, like the media mod I've used to plug in my microphone. So that's the only shame about the GoPro. I've chose to go with a media mod that you can attach directly to your GoPro. If this Clio is away, I will show you in the mirror. You see, I'm using the media mod. Just because if you use the mic adapter, you can use the mic adapter, but then you need to attach a separate piece to the helmet, and I think it was a little hustle, so for me this was the easiest way. And then I've got to choose a microphone. In Belgium that ain't that simple. All you hear is purple panda, but in the United States I think it's like $25. But if you want to buy it in Belgium, it's quick, 50 bucks and more. I don't think there really is a retailer in Belgium for Purple Panda, so it's expensive. So I went to the internet and tried to find a different microphone that wasn't busting the bank so much, and I found the Behringer microphone. I think it's the AC. I'm going to put the link in my description. It's like 20 bucks. You have two models. You have the mobile, they call it. It's a little microphone, and you have the normal one, and that microphone is a little bigger, so I went with the mobile just so I could integrate it better in my helmet. And so I hope this helps you. I just had to plug the microphone with a 3.5mm jack into the media mod, and then it works. So it's not really a hustle. The microphone doesn't have a long cable. The most microphones have like 2 meters, 3 meter cable. This one is just 1.2 meter I think, so it wasn't too much of cable to put away. So I hope this helped you. I hope you like the quality of the sound, and I hope this helps you to make a decision. Thanks for watching.